Hey everyone, this is Guru Dharm, and in this video we will learn Indian push-up. What is the difference between Indian push-up and modern push-up? Okay, let me explain you the modern push-up first. We just extend our hands more wider than our shoulders. Utthita Chaturanga plank pose, elbows out and goes down and then slowly come up. So actually we are working with the front of the muscle, chest muscle, triceps muscle. So we can do it, but maximum people, they don't know this style and they get injury in the shoulder. Common mistake for everyone. Indian push-up that make you 100% full body workout, not only the specific muscle, full body. So let's begin. So we start from the mountain, tuck the toes the same and go to the Guru Namaskar. Elbows not out, elbows in, and slowly Guru Namaskar. Okay, from the Guru Namaskar, slide forward. So it means hip goes down and upper body come up. Stretch maximum and then back to the mountain. This is one push-up. So if you will do it faster,
like in a sequence, in the flow, so we just do like this. This is the Indian push-up. You can do minimum 5 and maximum you can do 20. So in India, we have many different type of push-up, not only one.
Especially we have 8 type of push-ups. 8, and
some of them very advanced, some of them very basic. So this is the first type of push-up. So later on another videos I will explain you another type of push-up.
So this push-up help you to understand all the muscles about the hands, all the chest, your core muscle, also the leg, because we have to do the mountain pose. Our hamstring also stretch. So let's begin. Minimum 5, maximum 20. So if you will do it every day, don't do straight away push up. Before push up, you have to move your hands, move a little bit twisting. So make your body proper warm up before you start the Indian push up. So let's begin. Namaste everyone. See you in next video. Yay! If you like this knowledge, this video, please feel free to support us by liking this video, and also feel free to share this video with your profile for public. It gives me motivation to make more videos for you, so you can get more update, more knowledge and more energy with MD. Yay, let's begin everyone.